In today's video, I'm going to teach you using Slack's Workflow Builder. By the end, you'll know how to create a simple form-driven workflow that collects information, routes it to the right place, and is ready for your team to use right away. Start in Slack by clicking your workspace name in the top left corner. This opens the main menu where most administrative tools live. From there, go to Tools, then select Workflow Builder. If you don't see it, you may need permission from a workspace admin, but most standard workspaces have this enabled. Inside Workflow Builder, click the New Workflow button. Give your workflow a clear name so teammates know what it's for, and then choose a trigger. The trigger determines how people start the workflow. For forms, a popular option is a shortcut command like /form, which makes it easy to launch from any channel. You can also trigger the workflow when a new message appears in a specific channel, which is handy if you want to capture requests that come in organically. Next, add a form step to your workflow. This is where you decide what information you want to collect. Customize the form by adding fields such as text inputs for open-ended responses, drop-downs for predefined choices, or radio buttons when only one selection is allowed. Mark the fields that are required so you always get the essential details. Keep labels short and clear, add helpful descriptions where needed, and arrange the fields in a logical order to make the form quick to complete. After you've designed the form, configure what happens when someone submits it. You can notify a specific person or post to a channel, which keeps the team informed and creates a record of each submission. Consider tailoring the notification text to include key form responses so reviewers can triage at a glance without opening extra windows. Optionally, you can add other steps to automate what happens next. For example, you might send form responses to a Google Sheet to build a simple tracker or report. If you do this, map each form field to a column so your data stays consistent and easy to analyze later. When everything looks good, click Publish to save and activate your form workflow. Test it once using the trigger you selected to make sure the form appears, the required fields behave as expected, and notifications land in the right place. If you need to adjust anything, you can edit the workflow at any time and republish. That's it. Your Slack form workflow is live and ready to streamline requests for your team.